Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive money using your PayPal account, clarifying that PayPal does not use a traditional wallet address like some digital currencies. Instead, your PayPal account is identified by your registered email address or phone number. This makes receiving funds straightforward and secure. We will go over how to confirm these details and ensure your account is ready for transactions. To find the details you need for receiving money, first log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, look for your profile or settings. Here, you will clearly see the email addresses and phone numbers associated with your account. Your primary email is typically the default identifier for receiving payments, but you can also add and confirm multiple emails or phone numbers. When someone wants to send you money, simply provide them with your PayPal registered email address. This is the most common and easiest method. You can also share a linked phone number if that is more convenient for both parties. The sender will then enter this information into their PayPal account to initiate the payment, and the funds will appear in your balance. For your security, always ensure your email address and phone number are verified within your PayPal account. This helps protect your funds and ensures smooth transactions. Never share your password or sensitive account details with anyone. Always confirm that received payments appear in your PayPal activity log before considering them complete. Staying vigilant helps keep your money safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.